Morning guys, out on the river this morning, my Canadian canoe. Thought I'd do a quick video. Did chest this morning, so I'll post a little video of me doing my chest exercise this morning before I come into work. And yeah, out guiding at the moment. Got a corporate group from aerospace in Coventry who design aircraft parts for Airbus, so they're out on the river. Let's see if I can get a little picture, a video. They're back there at the moment, so I'm just guiding them, keeping them safe. This is the river. A bit overcast, but otherwise it's quite warm and nice. Nice and peaceful out here, apart from that chainsaw. Doing the section from Kernbridge to Simmons-Yap. It's an 8-mile stretch. The river's up a little bit, that's why I'm guiding today, just to keep the customers safe. That's a strimmer, not a chainsaw. The river's running around probably 1 metre Ross on Y gauge, which isn't too high, but it's high enough compared to the whole summer, where the river's been really low, and then obviously it comes up. It can get a bit tricky when it gets to around a metre or so. So yeah, it just keeps them safe. Got a busy weekend coming up. Not too sure if we'll be putting out single boats. I think most of the boats are going to have to be linked up for safety. But yeah, a good weekend. Hopefully nice and sunny.